everyone! Today, let me show you how to make Northern Chinese lettuce wrap. It originally used Chinese cabbage, but feel free to use lettuce if you like. Now, let's start cutting some potatoes. Chop the eggplants like I demonstrated here, then put everything into the water to avoid them being oxidized. Now cut some green peppers like this. Those are spicy ones. Grab a pork belly, wash it, and dry it with paper towel. I didn't put the veggies into the water because I did it fairly fast, but you can see it right here is still a little bit oxidized. Cut ginger into smaller pieces. Get some clean garlic. Smash it and chop them into pieces. Now slice the pork belly. You can cut it into any sizes you want, but I suggest to make it thinner, just because it's easier to cook. Now it's time to chop onion. After doing all of those, warm up the pot. Add 1 spoon of pork lard. Turn the stove into medium heat. Add the eggplants and potato in. Stir fry for 3 minutes. Then add the garlic and the ginger into the pot. Now let's add some seasoning. 10 ml soy sauce. 2.5 gram mixed pepper. I will put the detail in the description. And finally, add the onions in. And mix everything together. Add 400 ml hot water into the pot. And put the lid on. Let it cook for a while. It's about 20 minutes now. Open the lid and add the pepper into the pot. 4 grams of salt, and you can also add some bouillon powder. Now smash the potato and eggplants. Then put the entire dish aside. Here we are making some hot sauce. Warm up the pot and add pork lard in like last time. Put pork belly, ginger, and onion in. Stir fry it until it caramelizes. Add 2.5 grams mixed pepper, 10 ml soy sauce, 150 grams diluted soybean paste. And finally, add the green pepper in. Add another 50 ml hot water and wait the sauce to be thickened. Finally, add 2 grams of bouillon powder. I added the Thai pepper sauce just because I like spicy stuff. Yay, we finally made it! Let's eat! How should we eat it? Oh, I forgot to record that. And this is how you should eat it. But be creative, alright? Hope you like it.
Bye bye.